Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make classic chicken marsala. There is a reason that this dish is found on restaurant menus across the world. Chicken marsala is a simple recipe that people absolutely love. To start, you'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. If you have really thick ones, you'll want to slice them in half so that you have 2 thin pieces like this. These breasts are already thin, so they're perfect for us to use. You'll want to season your breasts with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And of course, don't forget to season both sides of the chicken. Then spread half a cup of all-purpose flour out into a shallow dish like a pie plate. Then you're gonna dip your chicken breasts into the flour so that the outside gets entirely coated, and then shake off the excess. Then I'll set those back on my cutting board to dry for a second while we heat up a skillet on the stove. Drizzle a little olive oil into your heavy skillet, heat it over medium-high heat. Then we'll add in our chicken breast pieces and cook those for about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Once they're golden brown on bottom, you'll want to flip them and cook the other side too. Your chicken needs to cook through to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. How long that will take will depend on the size and thickness of your chicken breasts. Thin breasts can dry out a little bit faster, so I like to keep mine slightly on the thicker side. Once they're cooked through, go ahead and pull them out of the pan and transfer them to a plate and set it aside. Add a little more olive oil to the pan, no need to clean it out. Then you'll add in 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, and today I'm using cremini mushrooms. You want to let these cook in the hot skillet over medium-high heat until they just start to soften, which will take 3 to 4 minutes. Now, once the mushrooms have had a chance to soften up and shrink just a little bit, just before they're done, you'll add in 4 cloves of minced garlic and let this cook for about 90 seconds. Then you're going to pour in 1 cup of marsala wine and half a cup of chicken broth. This should come to a simmer almost immediately. You're gonna let this simmer over medium-high heat for about 7 minutes. You wanna give it a chance for the alcohol to cook off and for the sauce to reduce by about half. After about 7 minutes or so, you'll see that the liquid in the pan has reduced by about half, which has left us with a much thicker liquid. Reduce the heat to low and we'll add the chicken back into the pan. It should still be warm. We're gonna heat it back up real quick before we serve. I wanna spoon some of the sauce and mushrooms over the top of the chicken, and then you'll be ready to eat. You'll want to serve it up hot with the sauce, and you can garnish with freshly chopped parsley. Now you can eat this plain as just a chicken and mushroom dish, or you can serve it over pasta like plain spaghetti. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.